Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be. This is Orina Ontiri, and one of the things that I'm here to give today, I'm here to give some food. Hmm? I'm here to give some food, and yes, I'm here to give some food in the Metro Community SDA Church. I'd said earlier, this is where I am, and I'm here to make sure that you get some food. Actually, if you can see, my car is full. hmm yeah, my car is full. I'm here to give some food. So, how are you today? This is Orino Ntiri as usual. I'm here to give some food in Metro Community SDA Church, and I have some free food. If you want to get some boxes, actually, I have only food for 20 families. 20 families. So, I have I have some milk. Let me show you. My car is full here. If you can see, I have some food, and yeah, that is the food that I'm distributing now. So I have some milk. If you can see, I got some milk in a box, and I got some other food here. So I have food for 20 families. Food is available for 20 families only at Metro Community right now, and I'm gonna be here until 2. So I will be here for a few minutes. If you can drive and get some food, you are welcome. I have some free food here at Metro Community, and I'm here to distribute. If you're not if you're not so busy, your fridge may be full, but you know, your fridge may be full, but what about your neighbor? So I'm here to make sure that people get some food. So please make a point of coming and stopping by, because I got some food for some families. Mm. We are broadly serving Americans. This is food in my truck, and some more food for families. So don't hesitate. I will be here until let me say until 2. So the address is given on the description there. If you want to come get some food, please do. You may be having some food full in your fridge, but what about the rest? Wengine kuna wale ambao wana chakula. So please make a point of coming and get some food for your families, get some food for friends. I'll be here until 2 to ensure that our people get food. And yeah, so I won't be live forever. I won't be live for more than actually I want to go off. I want to go off, but this message spread to your friends, spread to your families. This is Metro Community SDA Church outside the parking lot. I have some food here for families. If you want some food, I have some milk. I have some onions, red onions. I have yeah. One family can take some milk and onions, so I have food for 20 families. That's all I wanted to say today. I have some food here. If you want, please come and help some families. Kama wewe friji yako imejaa, you may not need some food, no problem. But come and get for a friend. Come get for your neighbor. Hayo ni yale nitaka kusema. So that's all that I wanted to say. I will be sitting here at the parking lot. I see, yes, it will be off camera. That's why I'm going offline. It will be off camera. So don't think that, I'm gonna pick and it's gonna be live, so people are going to see it. No, it's gonna be off camera. So this video I just did so that you can know that it is time to come and pick some food. Let me see. I see some comments. Thank you for your comments. And yeah, Thank you for your comment. I'm here to make sure that our people get some food. So, so please make a point of coming and getting some food for your friends, family, and friends. I will be here for only 30 minutes. Only 30 minutes. The address is given on the description. 1211 thannishc Drive in Arlington, Texas. That is next to Cowboys Stadium. If you know the Cowboys, the AT&T Stadium. If you know Walmart, which is on Random Hill, and we have Center Street. That's Mesquite. So we are somewhere between Random Hill, sorry, and Mesquite. One requirement: what do you need to come and collect some food? What you need is only a mask. Please, we want to be safe and we want to make sure that everything is good. So that's why I'm saying that, you know, it is good that we get some food for our family and friends. So it's my pleasure that there are some people who don't have food. There are some who go hungry for a week, a month. You know, the pandemic, I thought I saw many things, and it is good that we can share the little that we have. It's good that we can share the little that we have. This is AGR, Amorin Ontario. And as I said earlier, I'm now at Metro Community. One of the things that I'm doing here is distributing some food. I don't want to turn my camera around, but I want you to look at the name Metro Community. That is where I am right now. Yes, 1211 thannishc Drive in Arlington. Yeah, I don't want to turn the camera because I don't want to compromise the quality. But what I'm saying is that in Arlington, Texas, that's Center Street and thannishc Drive. How do we write thannishc Drive? Okay. Let me see if I'll be able to capture this. Yes. Yes. Today I'm by myself. Yeah, you can see that Center Street and thannishc Drive. That is where we are. And the one thing I said today, we are distributing some food for only 20 families. I only managed it because my car is not such big that it could carry more, but only carried food for 20 families because I see my friends are coming right now. So let me wind up this video so that I can be distributing food. So if you are joining me right now, this video is to invite you. I'll be here until 2:15 to distribute some food to some families. If you have a family friend who needs some food, don't hesitate. It will be off camera. It will be off camera. So don't. Some people say, you know, Mtangazaji wants to put us on live. No, I don't usually come live on every other thing. No. This is to distribute some food to families. And as I said earlier, you see my trunk is already full. I already gave some, and what is remaining is for 20 families. You see? Yeah. You need some food? Let me go off, then I'll give you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you see, I have some food that we are giving away. Yeah, what's remaining is for 20 families only, and I will be here until 2. Now that people have started streaming in, please do. Who is supposed? Okay, thank you. A good question. This food is only on first come, first served basis. It's only on first come, first served basis. It's specifically for some people. It's only on first come, first served basis. Yes, I think that's what I've been asking here. And yeah, the food is on first come, first served basis. Mtangazaji, yes. Will you be able to keep the some for me? Sorry, I won't be able to keep any. If people come and they need food, I'll just give it to them. So I'll not be able to keep any food for anybody, and I'm sorry for that, because this is perishable. Huh? These are foods that are perishable, and they need to be kept refrigerated. That's why I want to be here long. That's why I will be here for just a short time. And this is courtesy of Don Lee Farms, and courtesy of Mesquite 70-day Adventist Church. I went there actually, and I'm gonna release that clip when I'm talking to Elder James. One of the things he said is that he got to know this through a friend in New Life, Dallas, New Life Adventist, and then some families got some food from them, and from there they also received a truck. After some process, they also received an 18-wheeler with a lot of food. So they also called me. They called some friends from Alpha International Church, and they said, you know what, we need to get some food to our people. So when I went there today, there was a lot of food, and they told me, Tagazaji, can you carry some for family and friends in Arlington? I said, yes, I'm gonna do it. So actually I did. That's why I just brought some food, and what is remaining is for 20 families. I see like 3 families are here. So what's remaining now is gonna be like for 17 families. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I'm Orina Untiri, and for more, subscribe to our YouTube channel, AGR News, and subscribe to our channel, Ababsi Global Radio. I see people are already here, and it won't be prudent for me to continue streaming instead of serving people. Please share the stream and tell people I will be here for 30 minutes. I will add some more minutes because of the live stream. I will be here for 30 minutes. So 1211 thannishc Drive in Arlington, Texas. The address is on the description there. And for more, stay tuned. God